Lost the handle. Stolen. Claor will drive. Will goes. With reverse layup. Bullseye. Claor. Lee at the top. Deep 3. Bang! From deep. Here's Gonzalez at the top. Deep 3. Bang! The answer. Lee high pass. Hoyoy will drive, will lace. Bucket for 2. Welcome to Abra Intertown. Do or die semifinals and first blood for Bukay. Nagangilang. Oduka. Pass back Oduka. Bounce pass to number 25. Lee holds the ball. Cross pass Oduka. Will attack. Kicks out. Na-recover. Oyoy. Inside pass is stolen. Here's Pre. Pre now in Harry. Against Oyohoy. Kicks out. Gonzalez. Bang! Lee at the top. Deep 3. Bang! From now in Harry against 2 defender. Will drive. Pass. Takes clutch. Far of the window. Bulls up. Here's Gonzalez at the top. Deep 3. Bang! The answer. And Pre. Corner pass. Open look. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! Triple. Lee. To Oduka. Oduka dribbling the ball. Pass to Lee. Pass to Mejia. Pull up J. Won't go. Put back shot. Bucket for. And it's Divina. Pass to Pre. Pre to Divina. To the corner. Open look. Trinidad. Won't go. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Gabayni. Fires. Basket and 1. Gabayni. And here's number 11. Oduka will attack. The floater. Short. And Pre. To Gonzalez. To Gabayni. Will drive. Binit bit. Now good. Tips in. Bucket for 2. Trinidad. Inside pass. Here's Hoyohoy. Rejected. Oduka inbounding. Now looking for the receiver. Pass to Lee. 4-3. Bang! 3. And here's Oduka at the top. Pass to Lee. Lee high pass. Hoyoy will drive. Will lace. Bucket for 2. Lee goes to the middle. Will fire sa 3. Won't go. Natapikan. Recover. Floater na good. Mejia will fix. Will pump. Will fire. Bucket. Mejia. High pass. To the middle. Corner, open look for 3. Bang! Another 3. Against Oduka. Pass to Pre. Pre to Divina. Will fake. Will drive. Will kicks out. Corner 3. Bang! Back to back. Oduka between the legs. Goes to the screen. So penetrate the floater. Yes, sir. Oduka. And Gonzalez. Crossover. Goes to the baseline. The floater of the window. Money. And this number 23 bounce pass Mejia. Mejia to Lee. Lee lost the handle. Stolen. Claor will drive. Will goes inside. Reverse layup. Bullseye. The end. And here is Claor. Bounce pass. Villanueva. Cross pass. Pre. Will go inside. The Finay step rejected. Bounding for Team Bukay. Now looking for receiver. Here's Villanueva. Fake. Pull up jumper. Too strong. And here's Mejia. Mejia now in Harry. Against Prele. Short. The rebound and the putback. Bayo. And here's Lee. Lee against Claor. Crossover move. Goes to the screen. Pass to Villamor. Open look. Nagid. Rebound by Lee. Inside pass. Pinabitin. Wala. Rebound pa rin. Rejected. And here's number 25. Pass to Gabayni. And the pass. Pinasa pa. What a tic-tac-toe blast. Cross pass. Corner. Mejia. Fires at 3. Bang! Mejia. Pre stop for 3. Bang! Pre! More. Inbounding, looking for receiver. Bounce pass inside. Oyoy. Fires off the window. Bucket. Oyoy. Pre now in hurry against 4 defender. Goes to the wing side. Pass to the middle. Villanueva. Corner pass. Open look. Trinidad. Won't go. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Oyoy. Will pass to kalaban. Open fires. Bullseye. 10-point lead for Team Bukay to the middle. Oyoy. Lacy Nausao. Yo. Comes Claor. Slowly dribbling the ball. Passes to Trinidad. Trinidad at the top. Pass to Pre. Pre inside. Pass to Villanueva. Kicks out to Gonzalez. Will attack. The floater shot. Won't go. Rebound by Mejia. Hook pass to Lee. Lee now. Against Pre. Pre. Pull up jumper. Rebound. Bump. Takes. Creating space to Lee. The floater of the window. Won't go. The second chance. Yay! Here's Oduka inbounding. Kicks out. Lee. Open look. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points Lee. And he's bump. Little spin. Pass to Pre. 4-3. Won't go. Rebound Mejia. Mejia. Pass to Lee. Lee. Pass to Oduka. Will attack. Bounce pass Lee. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. And the pass to the middle. And here's Claor. Claor pass to and corner 3. Bam! And the pass. Oduka will step back for 3. Won't go. Rebound. Put back. Mejia. Off the. And here's Oduka. Oduka sumisigsag. Will stops. Pass to Lee. Lee. Kicks corner for the tie. Bang! Tiger! Divina. Will stop. Inside pass. Natapikan. Here's Oduka. Oduka. High pass inside. The lead. Bucket for the lead. Corner pass. High pass. Gabayni. Posting up. Kicks out. Trinidad. Will bump. Kicks out. Gonzalez for 3. Short. Rebound. Trinidad. Hook shot, no good. Tips in. Bakit Gabayni? And here's his stop for 3. Won't go. Rebound, pass break. And Trinidad. Lace of the window. Money. Against Claor. Oduka Inararo. Offensive foul. Uy. And the pass. Trinidad. To Pre. Cross pass. Open for 3. Bang! Gonzalez. And here's Lee. Lee against Trinidad. Lumusot. Inside pass. Bump. Fires off the glass. Bucket. Gonzalez. Behind the back dribble. Spins. High pass. Claor. To Pre. Pre fakes. Will drive. Inside pass. Gabayni kicks out. Open for 3. Bang! Another 3. For the inbound. And here's Anstante pass to Lee. Lee. He spins. Will attack. He spins. Fires. No good. Rebound. Oduka. Wide open for 3. In and out. Rebound. Bucket for 2. Pass to Pre. Pre. Bump. Hook shot. Bucket. 3. Lee. Lee will drive. And fires. Easy bucket Lee. And Pre. Attacks. Drives. Bounce pass inside. Rejected. And Pre. Hook shot. Bucket. Number 12. Pass to the middle. Cross pass. Pre. Pre. Between the legs. Stepping back for 3. Nugget. Rebound by Oduka. Oy, pass to Lee. Lee. Basket and 1. Niyakap pa. Oh, the pass. Here's Pre. Pre. High pass to the middle. To the Trinidad. Shot clock down to 10. And Trinidad to Pre. Posting up against Mejia. Kicks out. Open look. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. No good. And the pass. Here's Oduka. Oduka. Linusutan. Penetrate. Rejected by Pre. Inbounding, looking for the receiver. He passed to the corner. Hoy to Oduka. Oduka will drive. Uy! No basket. Inbounding. Lee bounce pass to. And now Oduka holds the ball. And attacks. Inside pass to Lee. Will spin. No look pass. Corner 3. 1 go. Rebound. And the pass. And corner pass. Gabayni. to the middle. And here's Trinidad. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! 14-point lead now. 14 Bukay. Mejia. Pass to Lee. Lee. Di Discarte. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 point. Clock down to 10. Here's Prefix. Will drive. Side step. Oh, the Euro step. Gonzalez to Trinidad. Will attack. Kicks out. Gabayni. Open and fast. Gonzalez deep 3. Nagid. Rebound by Pre. Put back. Bucket for 2. Trinidad. Bounce pass to the corner. Will spin. Kicks out. And here's Lee. Picks. Pass. For 3. Short. Rebound Pre. Pre. Bounce pass. Trinidad. Reverse layup. Bucket. Trinidad. And here's Lee. Lees. Bounce pass. Trinidad. Lees. Bucket. Trinidad. And here's Pre. Inside pass. Pre. Will bump. Rejected. And sumigsag to the hoops. Yes, sir. Bounding. And the pass. Will attack. Corner. Fix. And pass. Rejected. And the high pass. Gabayni. Kicks out. Gonzalez. Side step. Hook shot. Lesser. Congratulations, Team Bukay, advance to the finals.